Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto in our channel Crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of this world by sharing with you new projects that you can take benefits from them. Our project of today is Bonk 2.0, a new project launched, and you can be one of the first one that you will enter to this project. But before that, don't forget to put like, comment to this video, and follow to our channel to receive notification about all our videos. So let's go now and see you after this intro. Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto in our channel Crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of this world by sharing with you new projects that you can take benefits from them. Our project of today is Bonk 2.0, a new project launched, and you can be one of the first one that you will enter to this project. But before that, don't forget to put like, comment to this video, and follow to our channel to receive notification about all our videos. So let's go now and see you after this intro. So welcome back. Today we have something exciting in our radars. Bonk 2.0. Stick around as we delve into what makes Bonk 2.0 stand out in the ever-evolving world of crypto. But before we dive that, so this project, chosen as the true community coin of Web3, is making waves with its unique approach of decentralized and utility. With over 4,000 holders and listing across 25 different exchanges, it's clear that Bonk 2.0 is capturing the attention of crypto community. But what sets apart this project? So let's check from the website. You can check all the links from the website, including their Twitter, Telegram, and also they support all that. So Bonk 2.0 to become the first community coin Web3 in the world. Multi-chain functionality. One of the standout features of this project is commitment to being a multi-chain assets. This means you can buy, bridge and use and enjoy of this project regardless your chain of choice. It's all about flexibility and accessibility in the ever-expanding blockchain landscape. Simplifying DeFi for holders. So this project isn't just another token. So it's on a mission to simplify DeFi on its holders. The project aims to create a user-friendly experience, helping you grow holding seamless. We'll explore how this simplification plays a crucial role in the project's success. Gaming and integration. So this project is making strides as a preferred in-game currency across various blockchain games. The intersection of crypto and gaming continues to evolve, and this project is right there. Contribution to the gaming revolution. You must stay tuned to find out more about this gaming initiative. Tokenomics and states. So this is the statistic of this project until now. So this is the statistics of this project until now. You can check all that, and you can go top also and check the audit from here. As you see, this is the audit of this project, no risk, so as you see here, no issues, and you can check all the audits from this link. It's included in the website. Let's check now the roadmap of this project. So this roadmap is on 3 phases. The phase 1 and the phase that we have now. So market research, development, website launch, social media up and running, launch, and burn liquidity. So now we will go to the coin market cap listing, coin Kego listing, the marketing, and all of these steps. After that, we will go to the phase 2 and finally the phase 3. And the links will be included here, and also you can buy from this button. So when you click to this button, you will go to here, Radium, to buy with the Solana. So this is it. There you have it now, a sneak peek into this project. The crypto space is full of innovation, and Bonk 2.0 is carving its path with a strong community, utility, and vision for the future. So what do you think? Drop your comments in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you see our channel the first time. Thank you very much for your trust, and see you in the next video.